Welcome to the first day of Deviance. My name is John Edward Rawlinson. You can call me Ed or Professor if you want to be more formal. I've been teaching for Stu since 1985, off and on, and continuously since 2000. I taught for 30 years at NBCC Miramichi in Corrections, Youth Care, Police Foundations, and Criminal Justice. The courses I've taught were deviance, delinquency, and so on. Been married 40 plus years, and I've got two grown daughters, one married with twins. Interests are exercise, nutrition, mindfulness, vegetable garden, reading, and research topics on interest to sociologists. Pair introductions: name, major, career ambitions, hobby, passionate interest, outstanding incident from the past year. What are we doing here together? What is the sociological substance of this course? In this course, we will examine the elements and patterns of deviance, basic principles, and so on.